Mathematics, the flower of natural science. Have you ever heard the saying, mathematics is the flower of natural science? It may sound a little strange. Most people think of math as rigid, formulas, calculations, tests, not the kind of words that go with a flower. And yet, for a long time, people have compared mathematics to a flower. Why is this? Among so many fields, why mathematics? The first word that comes to mind when seeing a flower is beautiful. Mathematics is the same. Anyone who has even a little interest in it cannot deny that mathematics is astonishingly beautiful. But that beauty is not in splendor. It comes from clarity and simplicity. When something that once seemed complex is explained in a single line of logic, that sharp sense of clarity, that is the beauty of mathematics. What does mathematics look like to natural scientists? To physicists, chemists, and engineers, mathematics is a tool that gathers the scattered phenomena of the world into a single language. In the natural sciences, a theory is accepted as a valid explanation only when it can withstand every possible objection and question through experiments and observation. But mathematics is different. In math, one careful line of reasoning matters more than hundreds of sloppy experiments. A theorem must be proven valid through logic alone. Plants do not bloom at any season. They do not bloom on a set date either. Only after closely checking the length of daylight, changes in temperature, and the surrounding conditions, a plant blooms at exactly the right moment. Mathematics is the same. If logic does not fully mature, no theory can truly bloom. Only through exact conditions, precise steps, and a process that allows not a single gap does mathematics take shape. Mathematics is called the flower of natural science not only because it is beautiful. Mathematics has endured across time. Just as flowers bloom and fade each year, sustaining the life of plants, mathematics has carried the flow of natural science forward for thousands of years without interruption. Today, there are countless fields of study: philosophy, law, medicine, astronomy, music. They are all ancient disciplines. But among them, mathematics is almost the only one in which past achievements do not disappear. Instead, they remain and become the starting point for the next ideas. This steady accumulation of knowledge is what sets mathematics apart from other ancient fields. Philosophy has often fallen silent for long periods, depending on the era and those in power. Law changes its values and standards as society changes. Medicine, too, only relatively recently joined with science and became what it is today. On the other hand, mathematics has steadily built the thoughts of future generations on the thoughts of earlier generations, layer by layer. Once a structure is established, it does not disappear. Unbroken, it has continued on. Ancient scholars did not see geometry, arithmetic, music, and astronomy as separate fields. At the center of them all was mathematics. Mathematics was the starting point of many disciplines and the place where new ones were ready to be born, much like a flower preparing to become fruit. Mathematics is a bridge between natural science and the world. Just as a plant connects to the world through its flowers, nature speaks to us through mathematics. Without mathematics, natural science could not have advanced in the way it has. And without natural science, mathematics might never have met reality. They need each other, and they have grown together. In physics, mathematics becomes the language that writes down the laws of nature. Motion and time, space and energy are expressed in mathematical sentences. Even the unseen flow of electricity and magnetism gains order through mathematics. That order leads to communication and technology and reaches deep into our everyday lives. The same is true in biology and chemistry. Natural phenomena once studied through observation and experiment became increasingly quantitative with the rise of mathematics. It expanded natural science from explaining the past to predicting the future. Now a single scene may come to mind, a flower of mathematics blooming in nature and the countless fruits it has borne. That flower of mathematics still stands today, at the very center of our world.